Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will be understanding how you can add placeholders inside the fields when you are using Contact Form 7 plugin inside your WordPress dashboard. Now, as you can see right now, I have a form which is created using Contact Form 7 plugin and it has 4 fields, that is name, email, mobile number and message. But none of the field has placeholder. What is placeholder? Placeholder means the text which is written inside the input box, and when someone starts typing, that particular text goes away, right? Right now it has labels which are there static all the time. It doesn't matter whether the form is submitted or not, or whether the user has entered something or not. Till the time the form is there, the field will remain there. But if you don't want to show these fields, that is labels, and if you want to add placeholder, so for that you need to come on to WordPress dashboard. Right now I have created one form, and this is the you can say the structure of the form. Here you can say I have 4 fields: name, email, mobile number and message. Now these are the labels. Your name, this is label. But if I want to remove it, then I can remove from here by pressing delete. And instead of that, if I want to place, so in order to add a placeholder, what we need to do is we need to write, so whatever the parameters are there, just press space and write placeholder and then space and double inverted commas. Now whatever your placeholder value is, so in my case, let's say it is your name. So once it is done, click on save changes. For now, I'm just doing it for one field, and now come back to the form and let's refresh the page. Now you can see instead of label like your email, now we have placeholders. And as soon as I click on this, and if I write something, you can see the placeholder value goes away. And if I again if I empty the field, you can see the placeholder is there. Now, what is the advantage of placeholder? Placeholder saves this space which is wasted using this label, and you can show whatever the instruction of that particular field inside the input box only. You are not supposed to add labels multiple times, and that's how your form length also gets decreased. So let me add placeholder in every field quickly. I have added placeholders in my all input boxes, and now if I click on save changes, and I've also removed the labels. Now if I come back to the page, refresh the ones, and you can see now all of the fields has placeholders, their labels has gone, right? Now I don't have labels on my input boxes.